What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix or repair the saggy dresser drawer. When I close the drawer, it doesn't really go through. It bothers to other drawers. This is a dresser drawer now. Look at this. It's really sag, really wide open. So now if you close it, it bothers to the other drawers, the bottom part. So now I'm gonna start fixing this. So we have to remove the screw, turn it this way. If you have a drawer like mine, it would be the same process how to do it. So this needs to get glued. Look, it was already broken. I want to do something to get this repaired. So now I'm gonna put the glue on this so to fix these broken pieces. I did not finish my job yesterday because I needed to have something to hold for the drawer. So I went to Home Depot to pick up this tension bridging. So this is what it is. And also I have the screws, and the size is 6 by 1/2 inch. So now I'm gonna start assembling them, putting in. So now I'm gonna put this top part of the drawer, just like this. So now we gotta tie them up this way. The same on the other side. This. Yeah. As you can see, it's all fixed. No more sag. See? See this? No more sag right here. But still not like really strong. If we put some load like little clothes, it will come up again. So what I do, I'm gonna put this tension bridging that I picked up in Home Depot. I already did the bracket. I bend it, the edge that fits for the drawer. So this is what I did yesterday. So now I'm gonna put like this. See? This will help to protect the cardboard at the bottom when there's like heavy loads to put in. It doesn't need to be centered, but you know, it's better to look if it's really centered. This is how it looks like right now. Really help a lot. Yeah. Now this panel doesn't move anymore. See? Looks a lot better now. So now put it in. Look. It's way better. It's a lot better. Look a lot better now. See? Yeah. You maybe wonder why I did not include the whole process of putting those tension bridging on the bottom part of the drawer. I only capture only one side and I forget to capture on the other side. But the process are just the same. Whatever I did on that side, the same thing on the opposite side. Another thing, I did not show the process of how the cardboard made flat flatten, like 90% flat, because it was not the right thing to do. I did iron it. I used spray, water spray, and from the iron. I sprayed the board, the fiber board. When I start ironing it, the laminate or the paint start coming off. Yes, it was flat, but then the fibers start like peeling off when you touch them. So I feel like it's not the right thing to do. I saw that on a video from one of the YouTuber. I said like, why not doing it? So I tried, but then it didn't work well. I hope this video helped you. If you need something to fix for your drawer, if you have a problem same as mine, please follow the procedure what I had, and I also put tools and materials in the description if you want to see that. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.